Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. If you got a driving test coming up and you want to pass your driving test first time, well, this is a video to watch. Basically, it'll be me driving, doing a real mock driving test, and I'm going to show you as a fully qualified driving instructor what you should be doing in your driving test, what the examiner will be expecting from you, and exactly how to pass your driving test. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the button for all the latest videos. And this is the final part of the whole driving mock test, part 4. Watch it to the end. There's a few things that happen during the drive which I feel is really important as a learner driver to pick up. Also, we analyze a few things at the end. In the left lane, check our mirrors. There's a car on our right trying to overtake. You may be trying to turn right. Who knows? Brake, brake, brake. Clutch down. And then go down to gear 1. Even actually, lights have changed. Check my mirrors, go up to gear 2. This guy's a bit silly. What's going on? Okay, brake, clutch down, and then stop for the amber light. Handbrake up. So a lot of things happening there. We were trying to go straight. Lights we had to be aware of, and the cars on our right were indicating back left. So the right lane goes right only, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see the arrow. So now, not only did I have to deal with the traffic lights, the road going straight, and the cars on the right, we had to be ready to react for the cars on the right to cut through. It's our lane, it's our road. It's their problem if they're in the wrong lane. We're just going to keep it safe by going through, and if we have to react, we will. Let's go to gear 1, biting point. Okay. Check your mirrors, up to gear 3. Up to gear 4, you could say. It's a long straight road, 30 miles an hour, till I see a 20 sign, so I can go up to gear 4. The gas slightly for the zebra crossing so you can scan. Brake a bit for this guy. Back on the gas. Check your mirrors. And we're turning right at the traffic lights. So interior right. Indicate. Brake. Clutch goes down, keep braking, and let's stop. Gear 1, double check the right mirror, up to gear 2 for the bend, and let's turn. And we're almost in, check all our mirrors, up to gear 3. Turning left here, check our mirrors, indicate left, brake, clutch goes down, go down to gear 2, double check, be slow, look into the road, there we go, we can see now we're going to pull into the middle. Turning right at this road, interior right, indicate right, look into the road, we're in gear 2, might have to go to gear 1, let's see, no cars are coming. Hold your lane, check here, there's a car coming, and let's straighten up and go back to gear 1. So it's good that I didn't cut through. Let this car go, check my right mirror. It would have been easy for me to cut through on this side, but I delayed on this side. On my left side, in case a car was coming. There's another car coming, I'm just gonna wait. Okay, he's waiting, let's go through quickly. And up to gear 2. Really important, that road, so watch it back. You can see how I dealt with it. Wait for this guy. Alright. We're gonna pull up. Interior left. Indicate. Thank you. Okay, well, she's just on her phone. Let's stop the car. Handbrake neutral. We turn the engine off. Let me know what mistakes you guys think that I made. One mistake that I think potentially that I could have made was probably at this amber light situation, and obviously I can see who's around me, who's behind me, how fast I'm going. I felt that it was safer to have gone through than to have suddenly have stopped. Just looking back at it, the amber light at that situation when I was driving, I felt that I potentially probably could have stopped, but I felt that maybe driving through would have been safer, as maybe I would have had to stop a bit more suddenly, and with the cars behind me, I felt that it would have been safe to go. Remember, the rule of the amber light is stop unless it's unsafe. Whereas the second amber light, again, similar speed, but I felt that I could stop in time, and I did stop in time safely. So every situation is slightly different. Any other mistakes, guys? Let me know if you guys think I've made any mistakes. Let me know. Comment below. I think just watching it, maybe once or twice, I probably indicated maybe a car's length too early. It's not a big deal, a car's length too early, but apart from that, I can't really see myself making any serious or dangerous faults or any faults that would have probably led me to failing the driving test. Hopefully that was really useful to watch and beneficial, especially if you got a driving test coming up. Probably a really stressful time right now, but this video is for you guys to give you a better chance of passing your driving test, to show you exactly how you should be driving in your driving test from your fully qualified driving instructor FM. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment below if there's any videos that I'm missing and you guys need help on. If you guys want me to make a certain video, comment below and I'll try my best to make it for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Take care.